Assalamu alaikum. Myself enacting lawyer Sara Anush.
Assalamu alaikum. Myself Afifa Gohar. I am also an enacting lawyer.
Assalamu alaikum. Myself Sania Sheikh Mukhtar. I am also an enacting lawyer.
We all welcome you in our Supreme Court. Today we are going to give some information about Supreme Court.
As we all know, there are three organs of Indian government. First one legislature, second one executive, and the third is judiciary. We all are familiar with the two organs, legislature and executive. But as we are Indians, we are not deeply informed about the third organ, that is judiciary. We should have a deep information about judiciary because it gives justice. It is the guardian of our constitution. It guarantees fairness. Judiciary has three stages. First one Supreme Court, second one High Court, and third is district or subordinate court.
Supreme Court is a major organ. President of India appoint the Chief Justice and other judges of Supreme Court. At present there are 25 judges in the Supreme Court beside the Chief Justice.
The judges should possess the three conditions, that are they should be the citizen of India, they should have the experience of 10 years as the advocate in High Court, they should have the experience of 5 years as the judge in High Court.
So as we are discussing about Supreme Court, let us have a deep information about it. Supreme Court has three main functions. First one original jurisdiction,
Second one appellate jurisdiction,
Third one advisory jurisdiction.
Original jurisdiction is described in Article 32 of our Indian Constitution. It means that some cases can come to Supreme Court directly or Supreme Court can hear these cases directly, and therefore these cases are said to be originated in Supreme Court.
The cases which are handled by Supreme Court in original jurisdiction are: first, the dispute between the central government and one or more states, dispute involving two states; third, dispute concerned between the Vice President and President.
Cases such as Belgaum border dispute.
Belgaum border dispute is a dispute involving two states of India, Karnataka and Maharashtra.
Belgaum is currently a part of Karnataka,
But earlier it was a part of British India's Bombay Presidency, which has significant Marathi speaking population.
In December 2006, attempts were made by Congress government for open discussion on this issue, but Karnataka government continued the claim on Belgaum city.
Thus, Maharashtra government filed a petition in Supreme Court in 2006.
And the decision will neither come from the government of Maharashtra nor from the government of Karnataka. The decision will only come from the Supreme Court.
The second function of Supreme Court is appellate jurisdiction. Appellate jurisdiction is described in Article 134 and 136 of our Indian Constitution. It means that Supreme Court can also hear the appeals against the decision of High Court.
The cases which are involved in it are: first one, if High Court certifies that a particular case is fit for an appeal; second, in criminal cases also appeal can be made against High Court's decision; third, if it is sentenced that a person's death or imprisonment for life, then also the appeal can be made against High Court's decision.
So, we are going to present two cases before you. First case is Chandrasekhar Prasad murder case. Chandrasekhar is the student leader of Student Union of Jawaharlal Nehru University, JNU.
He was not dead on 31st March 1997.
This case was run in Patna High Court.
The three persons were murdered as sentenced imprisonment for life.
After 15-year long case hearing under the guidance of Supreme Court.
The second case was running against two ladies, Renuka Shinde and Seema Gavit.
They were convicted in 2001 of kidnapping and killing 5 children.
In 2005, after the decision of High Court, again this case was sent to the Supreme Court, and Supreme Court made the same decision of death for the two ladies.
The third function of the Supreme Court is advisory jurisdiction. Under the Article 143 of the Constitution, President can seek advisory opinion of the Supreme Court, but President is not bound to accept the opinion.
For example, in August 2002, our President Mr. Dr. Abdul Kalam
sought advice to the Supreme Court regarding the controversy between the Election Commission and Government of Gujarat.
And therefore this case was conducted in Supreme Court.
Supreme Court is also called Court of Record. It has the power to punish for the contempt of court. All the powers. Jurisdiction
regarding fundamental right. The Indian Constitution empowers the Supreme Courts to issue order, writ or direction for the enforcement of fundamental rights of the citizen. The Supreme Courts issue writs of habeas corpus, mandamus, certiorari, quo warranto and prohibition. Thank you.
Thank you, Allah Hafiz.
Thank you, Allah.